So this is what we have, an ultraviolet bacterial lamp which disinfects, kills germs, kills virus, kills mites. Has 3 time modes, which is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 seconds. It has a buzz warning. It has a 30-second delay start. Make sure the room's clear before it turns on. It has a sensor. So here it is, and it sterilizes, disinfects 360 degrees. So I put this right here to disinfect, to sterilize, to kill bacteria, kill germs, next to my kitty litter. So it won't turn on. It has a sensor here. So if it senses a person or an animal, it turns right off. It has 3 different timers, 15, 30, and 60. You change it with 1 push of the button, and that's how long it'll stay on, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. If you want to turn it off, long press, 3 seconds, and it turns off. 3 lights come on, stops beeping. Turn it back on, hold it for 3 seconds. So this has ultraviolet light, so that's why it won't turn on when animals or people are around. So let me show you. I'm going to close the door. Let me turn off the light. Once it detects that there's no people around, it'll turn on by itself and it'll disinfect. There you go. And when you walk in or it senses movement, it turns off. So this thing is perfect if you want to keep an area sterilized, clean, free of bacteria. Kitty litter, you know, they use the restroom, so it has bacteria, all that stuff. So I'm gonna keep my cat's little corner clean.